So, yeah, it has come to this. I have finally caved into peer pressure, societal pressure, and bought myself a pair of Onitsuka Tiger. Yeah, so just in case you didn't know this, hold on. Yeah, so these are the Onitsuka Tigers series 66. So just in case Serrano, sorry. So just in case you are unfamiliar with this brand, it is a brand that has been around since the 1950s. It is a Japanese brand that made running shoes for a very long time. So yeah, these were actually intended to be running shoes. It comes from a time and age and era where the maximalist cushion, the 40 50 40 mm uh, stake height, the big padded running shoes of today like the Vaporflies and the Adidas Adios were not there, and people basically used to run in the shoes like this. You can imagine what effect it had on their feet, their ankle, and their knees. But yeah, that's how people used to run long distances. These extremely thin soles. So, Onitsuka went through many changes, and then it was folded into the Essex Corporation. But then Bruce Lee, martial arts legend Bruce Lee, made this pair of shoes popular when he wore them in, I think, Enter the Dragon, the movie where he wore that famous yellow jumpsuit. Yeah, so he made them popular, I think, and oh no, oh yes, Bruce Lee did popularize them. So then the Onitsuka brand was in the late 90s or so. It was spun off from Essex Corporation as its own separate lifestyle entity. It became a lifestyle brand that exclusively used to make Onitsuka Tigers, these shoes that you are seeing today. Then another surge of popularity that the Onitsuka brand got was in 2002 or so, when Quentin Tarantino used this pair of shoes for Uma Thurman's character in Kill Bill, the bride. Yeah, so she wore, paying homage to obviously Bruce Lee. She also wore Onitsuka Tigers in her movie, and the brand witnessed another revival. So now these shoes are almost ubiquitous. You can see them everywhere: college campus, markets, malls, because they have become extremely popular lifestyle shoes. And of all the colors that the Onitsuka Tiger brand comes in, it's it is the Mexico colors that are the most popular. So the model that I'm wearing today is the Serrano. It is a slight deviation from the original Onitsukas, I believe. And okay, the most weird or unique, and depending on how you look at it, the most weird or unique aspect of the shoes is the pull tab, that massive pull tab with the tiger branding and the bag at the heel. So I don't know why it is that my pull tab is upright right now, but the vendor who sold this to me, they assured me that it will go down, it will stay down, it is meant to stay in place after a couple of wearings. So I'm waiting for that. Now comfort, we haven't talked about it so far. So this is a very different experience from the running shoes, the thickly padded midsole, the thick midsole running shoes that I normally wear. With this pair of shoes, it is extremely low profile. It feels like I'm wearing almost a pair of loafers or both shoes. It is certainly unique, and it is different. I have grown so used to thickly padded running shoes that it will take me some time to acclimatize to this. But then again, it is also extremely comfortable, lightweight, and I can wear it every day. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.